there folks, Elaine here with WTI. Are you looking for vinyl gloves? These Care Plus size large disposable vinyl gloves are perfect for our family. We use them all the time and I like to tuck my watch safely away, but what's really important to me is to be able to use my touch screen on my watch and on my phone, and these gloves are still protecting your hands, but you still can get other work done at the same time. We use them for lots of DIY projects in our house, and they are just so versatile and they're very sturdy. We use them for cleaning. We use them for cutting in the kitchen, food prep. We love them. So whatever you need your gloves around the house, we use these in ours and we buy them in stacks. They're affordable, they're great, they're multi-use. We love them, we highly recommend them, and that's just our point of view.